Mike, all right.
All right, we're live. How we doing? How we doing? How we doing? All right. So we're live on HyperTikS. Let's do it. How's everyone doing? Well, we're gonna trade gold tonight. All right. So we're gonna go ahead and switch this. Let's wait to get everyone in there. We'll do MGC. What up, Adam? How you doing? So let's look at gold, man. Let's look at gold. Got a bunch of lines here. What the fuck? I don't remember. I think I set up some indicators. Yeah, VWAP, SMA. I was testing some things out. But we're gonna remove all of that. We're gonna remove all of that. All right, where's the chat now? Okay. So let's do it. Let's do our analysis for today, guys. And we're gonna trade. I'm gonna buy a brand new account as well. Then we're gonna request the payout once we got some more people in here. So, and we'll do the giveaway as well, of course. Let's do a new 50K. So let's see what we have on gold here. Not much going on. Okay, gold's not moving a lot. Let's see if there's some other pair moving. No. Yes, no. Okay, there's nothing much. Not much really. But we're gonna wait a little bit for gold to start playing out. Then we're gonna take a trade. Okay. All right, chat's active now. Chat is active. I'm doing good, guys. Thanks for asking. Yeah, we're gonna do giveaways today. I'll just keep watching the stream, and I'll find a way to make it happen. We're probably going to do the live chat. We're gonna do a giveaway. What up, Adam, Fox, Foff, Forex, Spirit, Alex, CJ, yo, give me 1 second, guys. I'll be right back. All right, I'm here. Yeah, NQ is gonna be slow. NQ is gonna be slow. I'm trying to trade gold tonight, so that's probably what we're gonna do. Super Tech. What's the best account to trade with? I like the beginner accounts. They're very good. With my code, they're $55 for 50K, and you get 2,125 end of day drawdown. So I think they're pretty good beginner accounts. With code TradeTrive, you're gonna get that price. How many accounts giveaway today? I'm probably only gonna do one. We'll see how it goes. If we get a big stream, we're gonna do more. So make sure you guys like the stream, share it, whatever. If we get a big amount of people in there, I'm gonna do more than one. All right. So let's make it happen. Let's make this happen today. What happened to the World Cup picks giveaway? I don't know. I have no idea. I didn't participate in it. I know Hypertix was running this. You can ask in the Discord if you want, but I'm not so sure. Not so sure what happened. Hello, Douglas. How you doing? I see you a lot on IG, man. All right, boys. I bought a new account. Let's try to pass it. Ah, man. Getting a call. I'll be right back once again. Hello? Oui. Okay. Ah, non. Okay. Ouais, c'est correct. Ok, c'est bon. Bye. You guys trading gold tonight? Trade of 8 in the near future? No, not in the near future. Not that I'm aware of, but I mean, Trade of 8's alright, but I like this one. Trade of 8 sucks, bro, for one reason. I get it that it's easy to log in TradingView, but you can't even copy trade in TradingView, so it's kind of useless. This one has a copy trader inside of it. You have TradingView in there. You can set up stop loss in TPs. In Trade of 8, you can't put stop loss in TPs easily. So I don't know. I like the Hypertix platform. You just gotta, if it's your first time trading like on the DX feed, deep charts, whatever, you're gonna get used to it. It's actually a very good platform, in my opinion. No, there's no volume. You're absolutely right about that. You're absolutely right. If we look at, for example, the ADX indicator, which is basically directional movement, can be interpreted as volume. There's nothing. There's absolutely nothing. You use volumetrica, yeah. Yep. So we'll keep watching though. But if we do our analysis, basically we're standing above EMAs, an uptrend since the end of New York on Wednesday. So now heading into Friday, I could see us start ripping up and retaking the top of the range. I had a trade there set up. I don't even remember if I took it, but if I did, it was probably on evaluations because that's what I do with gold. Yeah, we might get something close to 8 p.m. We might get something close to 8 p.m. I'll have to leave for like a few minutes at 8. But we'll see. We'll see. We'll see about that. All right, let's do the giveaway already while the market is boring. Let's do the giveaway, okay? So I'm gonna post a link. I'm just gonna post a link to the stream. All right, let's do the giveaway. To enter, guys, all you gotta do is type Trade Trive in the YouTube comments and like the stream, okay? So we're gonna keep it very simple. Just type Trade Trive in the chat, like the stream, and you'll be inside the giveaway, okay? So that's what we're gonna do. Just type Trade Trive, like the stream. Trade Trive, my name. You can see it on the screen. Trade Trive. There it is. All right. So we don't got a lot of people. You guys got a lot of odds today, man. We're gonna do the giveaway wheel as well. Okay. We're gonna get everyone in there. So if you just joined the stream, all you gotta do is type Trade Tribe. Just type it once. Type it once. I'll only enter your name once, okay? It's gonna be Alex. There's gonna be Adam, Vox, Douglas, Caterpillar. We're gonna have CJ, Ayo, Forex. We got SMT. Okay, so I'm just typing a part of your name, guys. Okay, so if you just joined, type Trade Tribe in the comments to enter a 50K account giveaway. I'm gonna wait for like 5 minutes, okay? While we wait, let's request our payout. Let's request a payout on HyperTicks. Okay, so there was actually someone that requested a payout off of those giveaways. Off of those giveaways, someone requested one, and that's dope, man. Requested a payout off a free account. I was on my stream, so it's pretty nice. Let's request a payout though, and then we'll do the giveaway. Okay. So I wanted to do it live. Basically, it's on the instant 25K account. Max payout for those is 1.1K. Okay, so I'm gonna request the whole thing. Amount 1,100 USD. Let's request that payout. Confirm. All right, there it is. Sent a withdrawal request. Let's do it, man. And I think I'll recap those trades after, but it wasn't easy, man. Like I trade pretty slow, to be honest, but that thing is in full screen. My screen is too big. But started off pretty strong, had a bit of drawdown. I wasn't close to blowing the account though. I still had a bit of drawdown left. And then I came back to the top, so I just requested 1.1K on this account. Okay, so let's add people to the giveaway now. There's Foff. I'll call you Foff. Giveaway wheel. Okay, so I'll wait a few minutes, guys, and we're gonna do the giveaway. Let's get a few more people in there. Let's get a few more people in there. If you want to participate, just type Trade Tribe in the comments. Slow and consistent, always better than trying to finish first. Yeah, of course. There's no race in trading. It's you and your account, and that's it. Let's get 2 more people in there, and then I'll do the giveaway. It's gonna be a very small one. Okay, so what's up, Plios? If you want to participate, just type Trade Tribe in the comments, like the stream, and you're gonna be in. Mm-mm-mm. All right, so I actually got the payout requested, accepted. Withdrawal request has been assessed and accepted. The funds have now been credited to your wallet on the HyperTix platform. You may continue trading your account as normal. So it took a few minutes to get the payout request. Well, that's sick. Now let's see if we got how it looks. Mm-mm-mm. I'm gonna add only X Plios, and then we're gonna roll. There's no one trying to get into the giveaway today, huh? All right, let's do it. Let's do it. Click to spin. Good luck, everyone. X Plios, you won the giveaway. So just tell me what your Discord username is, and I'm gonna call it inside the chat. You just gotta confirm that you're still there. Okay, so Xplios, if you're still there, just type in chat uh, your Discord username, and I'm gonna announce it inside of the Discord. Then what you can do is just message the support, open a support ticket saying that you won, and there will, like, the proof is that I'll type your username right there. Okay. Mm, That's you, Tim. Tell me if that's you. At Tim. Won the giveaway. Great. Congrats. Add some sick emojis. Gonna add a green art. Okay, so you can message support, and the proof is right there. Okay, if they ask you for proof, it's in the contesting. You found it. You reacted to it. All right. Mm-mm-mm. Okay, gold is moving weird right now. It's actually pretty annoying. You guys got anything going on the charts? Anyone in a trade right now? I can't find shit. Hey, yo, Forex, you don't gotta ask a billion times for a giveaway. I'll do some more some other times. Right now, the stream is not very active, you know what I'm saying? So if we get it popping, I'll do more giveaways. I appreciate you for showing up, but you don't gotta ask for more. But yeah, the charts are fucking dead, dude. I got this as well from the bro, the withdrawal or the payout, you know. So it got accepted earlier and then it's being processed, so I'll get it in like 24 hours to 48 hours, so we'll see. But yeah, man, pretty good. Yeah, there's Rise or crypto. I'm taking cash, I'm not taking crypto. So now the account, that's my new eval, and I've got, let's see where it's sitting at now. We'll go in the deep chart. I don't think I have a lot of buffer. Probably don't. I've got, yeah, so we'll we'll try to revive it, you know. So I requested 1.1K, and the drawdown is 1.4. So I still have like $300 to work with. I'll just trade normally. The payout method was Rise, yeah. Like I'm trying to, dude. Every single time I live stream, I think I got one trade out of every single live stream I did. It's getting kind of ridiculous, but it is what it is, man. At this point, I just gotta accept that, dude. It's actually ridiculous. Every time I've live streamed, price action is dead. I've live streamed London. I did once or twice New York. I did once New York, the rest of the time Asia. So I did all 3 sessions. I got one trade out of every single time. I'm trading the 5 and the 15 minute as well. So I don't know what it is, man. I turn on the live stream and fuck, man. I'm not I'm not getting any trades. So yes, sir. Let's hit the like button. Let's hit the likes. London has better volume than Asia. New York than London, but Asia be so dead. Yeah, but gold used to be good, man. Used to be at like be able to catch big moves. That's why I never trade my fund during Asia. Most likely going to blow the account. Yeah, I mean, yes and no, because like it's kind of slow. You can catch a nice move, trending like during the overnight during like while I sleep, basically. Like overnight, you can just catch a nice swing going into New York session. So it kind of works out, you know. Because let's say that was like your New York yesterday, a very clean setup. Where at market open you break above EMAs, or that's like a VWAP. You retouch the EMA, you buy into it, and then you can swing for the whole New York session. Like that's actually very very good. But right now that's zero movement. Yesterday was pretty good. Like if I streamed yesterday, I probably would have got a setup, not a clean entry here. I would have got it at the top, let it run, and probably catch a 2R. But that's kind of annoying. NQ is not moving. Gold is basically hot garbage right now. I mean, your strategy, Asia's dead, not gonna lie, but I see what you're saying. Yeah. What do you trade? Like, what type of trading do you do? Because what I do is trend trading. So I'll give you an example. On gold yesterday, for I would have taken based off of ADX. Um, so let's take the 15-minute here because I think it would have been pretty interesting yesterday. Well, I wouldn't actually get it. The timing wasn't correct because during the Asian session, we started off with a sell. It was too late, and earlier into the session, I wouldn't catch anything. So yeah, I wouldn't catch anything. But let's take, for example, the 5-minute. I would have caught those sells, which is kind of what I'm looking for currently. On gold is the 5-minute. So it would have been like that. Not a huge stop because the eye of Tokyo session was 175 pips. I would have targeted like 2RR. Unfortunately, it reversed. It went up. So what would have happened is a stop loss. And if it was an evaluation with like 0.8 R, I usually take. So I would took profit on evals and right there, and it break even on actual live trades. CRT plus OTE confluence for New York. CRT plus orb plus OTE. What is? I know what open range. What's B? What does every word mean, bro? We're gonna research this because I don't know. All right, let's see what CRT is. CRT. We're gonna type CRT trading. Candle range. Understanding candle range theory. Market movement within the price ranges of candlesticks is beneficial for understanding price action across different time frames and identifying optimal trade setups. To refine trading strategies, CRT combines technical analysis, principles such as liquidity, accumulation, manipulation, distribution phases. Candle range theory, opening range breakout. Okay, opening range breakout, I've heard of it. You're like taking the first 15-minute up and down. Once it closes above, you're like primed to break out. Optimal trade entry. OTE or ICT concept. Oh, you're taking like fibs. Okay. I just called that fibs. Fibonacci levels. OTE is 6.2 optimal trade entry. So yeah, 100% retracement level. Yeah, I'm pretty advanced with the fibs, to be honest. Like I understand them pretty well. And I try to like emulate what the algos are doing so I can identify patterns in the way the market like the way the market moves with the algos. I do that with fibs. So let's take, for example, today, because I think this is like good price action to demonstrate it. Not necessarily today, but let's take, for example, this trade worked out. So it's actually easier to explain once you look for a setup that works with this, because That's what you got to find. Uh, like the way the markets move is they'll always leave signs within fib levels, in my opinion. So this is the type of entry I would look for, based on holding above like 38 with the SMAs. Market showed clear intention. It's just like IRR because it doesn't happen as cleanly. But this is the type of setup you can take. You know what I'm saying? Like aligning a bunch of fibs. We could probably see even like this downtrend being invalidated after we didn't get extended. We didn't necessarily hold 38.20. We broke above the 50. We just needed to retest to come up. So that's kind of how I traded for a long time, just aligning fibs between sessions and kind of seeing where the market reacts. It's just very, very difficult because it takes, like, what's difficult about trading with fibs is fundamentals. Like, you gotta align them perfectly, and I don't necessarily have the time to do that anymore. So I will come back to this style of trading, but I just don't have the time right now. It's way superior to what I'm doing currently, like doing fibs, fundamental analysis, just like having the full storyline of how gold is moving. But now I'm just doing intraday. It works. I can get some profits, obviously, but there's better ways to trade, and one of them is like actually understanding fibs. I mean, don't fix it if it's not broken. Yeah. Yep. But like it's suited to prop accounts. If I traded live, I would need to have more complex ways of trading, in my own opinion. Um, Not like over complexify the way I trade, just like something that's gonna be good, very good in the long term. But right now, my strategy is adapted to like low-ish RR just to get some profits on prop accounts. Where's everyone at? Oh no, man, they left right after the right after the fucking giveaway ended. I don't even know, man. Right after the giveaway ended, everyone fucking ghosted. That's crazy. Not everyone left. Shout out to Adam, brother. Just making a cup of tea, getting ready for Tokyo Open. Yes, sir. Nice, nice. Yeah, that's what happens, bro. People are there for the giveaway, but that's all right. That's all right. I kind of get it. I don't have time to watch streams, man. So I appreciate you guys for showing up, talking to me in chat, or else it would be absolutely boring. So thanks, Adam and Vox today. Do another giveaway for those still there. Yeah, I can't do a giveaway for like two first. I appreciate you guys, but I'm not gonna do another one. I gotta get the stream popping to get the giveaways going. I'm gonna trade the gold, and it's pretty dead. So honestly, like once it starts rising, I'm probably gonna buy. If it does, if it starts selling, I don't know. But the 15-minute and the 5 minute is pretty aligned. But dude, this is absolutely dog shit. So I'll be this will make them stay next time. 100% tried and working. Yeah, I should like delay the giveaways. We had a bunch of people in there, so I thought it would be like a big stream today. But I'll be back in a few minutes. I'm actually like I gotta sell a table to someone, so I'll let the charts on, you know. But yeah, I'll be back in a few minutes. There's someone coming to my house right now to buy a table, so I'll just leave the charts and I'll be back in a few minutes. All right. Boom, boom. All right. All right. Okay, so 8 p.m. we're opening. Ring the fucking bell. We're gonna see what happens here. We're gonna see what happens. All right, I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. I'm back. Mm. How do you trade in Asia session? I'll just wait for the intraday to shift in one direction or the other compared to the recent price action, okay? So if it's trending for a long time, I'm not going to take. I just need to see a change of speed in one direction, and I'll obviously like add a bit of more confluences with like respected FVGs, SMAs, and overall market structure, as well as fundamentals. But fundamentals are more used as filters. So yeah, I don't necessarily do fundamental analysis before taking a decision, but I'll do it as a way to filter non-trades. But the market open is pretty underwhelming right now. There's nothing I can do, like absolutely nothing. So it's kind of annoying, but it is what it is. Uh, uh, uh. The manipulation to be over. Yeah, that's also a way to see it. I'm waiting for the manipulation to be over. If that's what you're doing, that's what I'm doing as well, basically. But I'm gonna end the stream pretty soon here, guys. I don't see anything happening, and if it does, it's gonna be like in 2 hours. So I'm not gonna sit on stream for 2 hours. We did the giveaway. We requested the payout. Talked to you guys a bunch. So I'm gonna end the stream in like a few minutes here. But thanks for showing up, guys. Thanks, Adam, SNT, Vox, staying on stream. It wasn't the best one. We didn't get any trading action, but we did a few things. You know what I'm saying? So that's all right. So I'll see you guys later. Thanks, Paul, as well, for showing up on the stream. Thanks, Adam. Thanks to you. I'll see you guys next stream. All right. I'll see you guys next stream. No extra gravies. No. I can't do that. I can't do that. All right. Thanks, everyone.